The boys are back.
The boys.
Why do I sound like a goat?
Like you
The
sounded
boys are back.
You sounded like Ryan Seacrest,
Who's that?
Who's that?
that American Idol host.
What
Who got
did you
fake.
watch growing up, bro?
American Idol, bro. We used to watch Indian
Ryan-
Idol.
No, I watched
Ryan
Indian Idol.
I
Seacrest.
only know Udit Narayan.
And I know Aditya
Aditya Narayan.
Yeah.
Udit Narayan.
Have you guys seen those videos of him like getting angry at people?
Yeah, in the airport and all. I think he got blacklisted from that
He did?
airline company.
Udit Narayan.
जाके झगड़ा कर रहा था।
Aditya.
His
उसका
son.
बेटा.
उसका
Oh,
बेटा
his son is that guy.
वो
His-
host था ना सारे
Little
गाँव
Champs
का।
का
He
host
sings
जो था.
very
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a
But
good
he yells
singer,
also
but
very
he
well.
He yells
shouts
at people.
I don't
Quite a
remember the
bit.
context. What would he tell them?
कुछ तो तुम मालूम नहीं मैं कौन हूँ or some shit.
The
like that.
typical.
Yeah, typical Indian गाली. है.
हाँ.
That's the craziest one.
My father is this one. My father is that one.
He should have just sang, bro. Those people would at least let him through. Like, you know, someone should have told him, bhai, tu गा के दिखा ना. Why are you fighting with people?
गा के देखा.
The singers randomly get angry, bro.
Yeah, I know a few.
Somebody fucking.
Somebody fucking fix this mic!
My YouTube shorts are only that right now.
I saw this. I saw this video of another new video of Arijit Singh. Someone kept like a pizza.
Put food on the
food
stage
and their
and
drinks
he's
on
like-
the stage. Like their table
fuck.
was right near the stage.
Yeah.
And then he
Is this like an old video?
No, this is
It's
recent.
new.
This is new.
and then he moved it and he said the stage is my god, or this is my temple. The stage is my temple, so
You
I
can't-
don't you
yeah.
can't keep this. And then top comment was somebody fucking fix this stage.
Yeah, bro,
That's
but these
iconic,
guys,
bro.
they thought he's hungry. क्या एक slice रख दे, एक coke बाजू में रख दिया.
नहीं, it was
What
not
they
for
thought.
him, bro.
Then who was it for?
Them.
Oh, उन लोग ने रख दिया.
हाँ, उनका टेबल उधर ही था ना, तो they were like, might as well extend our table a little.
Damn, bro.
It's quite
ये-
stupid, bro.
ये क्या
Stupid. He
बात
dealt
है?
with grace. Man, speaking of shows and graceful singers,
Yeah.
we have a lot to get through this episode. Let's start with Coldplay. What's happening, bro? That shit. That shit is just crazy.
What's
Yeah.
happening is
What
no
is
one's
the-
getting any tickets.
What is the number at right now?
What
Do you all
number?
know like what the queue का standing was?
Queue is over now.
हो गया ना
Yeah,
भाई.
people
Sold
stop
out,
standing.
sold
What are
out
you
in
saying, bro?
seconds, bro.
Sold out in
Oh, this guy has no idea
No,
what is going on.
I know, but then everyone's story is
They were just
3
showing how
lakh and-
cool they were that they joined the queue and they were like
Acha,
fucking
okay.
10th lakh or
Nahin,
some
I'm
shit.
but
4
everyone
lakhs.
was-
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone's upset that they were whatever
Yeah,
number.
they were upset because
Come on.
apparently nobody got tickets. Like very few people managed to get through.
How big is the?
I mean, it's not a few people. It's just that a lot of people wanted those tickets.
What is the capacity of?
I don't know how many.
DY
people
Patil is
are-
like 60, 70,000, maybe
What the
more.
fuck?
6 threes are 18, 1.8 lakh.
60,000 people.
Yeah.
It's too many people.
By standing bhi to hai.
हाँ.
Like you're taking the whole cricket stadium into consideration.
Yeah, man. Yesterday, my stories, I woke up
It was
and I saw
annoying.
just like everyone's talking about this. And we were awake till like the morning,
It
the
was
night
just
before.
yesterday, bro.
Yeah. So, this guy's perception time.
It's fully.
Time sense is off.
Yeah.
Bro.
We
कल ही
were-
था भाई. We were up till the morning and
We were up
like-
till 9, bro.
Try karna hai kya? Like, should we
Yeah.
wait till 12 and try? And we just, I think, collectively knew that it was going
It's
to be
not gonna
stupid.
happen.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
we saw it, and I'm glad we didn't stay up.
Yeah, would have been a BT.
I'm not the guy to post a story and
Yeah.
make reels about it. So, वो पूरा waste में चला जाता.
Yeah.
Fuck, bhai.
But y'all weren't keen on like booking tickets out for Coldplay.
Man, see, I would love to see them live.
Yeah.
ठीक है? If I don't see them, it's not like
The
I
end
won't
of
be
the
bummed
world.
about
हाँ,
it.
Yeah.
I would like to attend it because I like
Yeah.
some of their music.
Yeah.
Grown up listening to them. And the experience, like whatever I've seen
Yeah.
in the past
It's
month,
crazy.
भाई मेरे feed पे सिर्फ Coldplay
The
के
day, bro,
Yeah,
the day they
it's
announced,
like
did
it's
you
rigged,
notice that?
you know?
The day they announced Coldplay coming to India,
But internationally, I was seeing.
Yeah, everyone together, we're seeing this one thing, कि Coldplay, and their show sells out in like seconds, and no one gets any tickets.
but that's how it works, bro. Like, I don't know why
Then
people
they add
say so
shows.
much.
Then they add more shows. They're like one more
Yeah.
show, one more
Stewie
show.
has an agenda against everyone who's pissed off about this
Why?
situation.
No,
Let's
He's
talk
been
about why
ranting
people
about
are
it.
pissed off in the first place.
Yeah, let's talk
Huh.
about why they're pissed off.
Huh.
The people who understandably know that bots were in the have bought a lot of these passes.
Break it down
Bots.
now.
Yeah, break that
Damn, bro, this
shit down, bro.
conspiracy time.
We want to dim the lights.
Bots.
No, that
नहीं इतना
we
टाइम
can't-
लगा है
we
भाई
can't
सेट
risk
करने
that,
में
bro, the
like
lights will
dim the
fall.
lights.
Okay, ठीक है.
Anyway, yeah, basically what happens, everyone knows this, bro, that whenever there are tickets being sold online or anything which is like first come, first serve basis pay, there are a lot of bots that are assigned to these pages. And they automatically buy off the passes before normal people can. So firstly, there is an educated set of people who are crying that there are bots and how could you do this? Second set of people are like, why are you all giving passes to influencers? I have heard Coldplay for 15 years and y'all have shattered my dream. Bencho chutiya ho kya? Like that is another argument which people are having.
See, bro, to the first set of people, I will say capitalism, baby.
Yeah.
It is what it is. People are trying to make money.
Bro.
And if you're a person with even a small business brain, you will know that this is a good opportunity to make
A
tons
lot
of
of
money.
money, yeah.
Is it the nicest thing to do?
But
No.
are they not being deceitful to the consumers by
Who?
saying these organizers and people who are in charge of setting these bots and whoever or
The
whatever?
organizers aren't setting
The organizers
bots.
are
It's
setting
people who are
bots.
trying to make money.
Huh.
So there are a lot of people who like code this shit, bro.
You don't think the organizers
So if
have
you're
some
smart
sort of
enough, you
hand
can
in that?
fucking
No, they don't. They just want to sell as many passes, whether normal people are buying it, whether someone is buying it and making profit.
As long as it sells.
like
Ticket to jari.
sometimes they do keep aside a certain number of tickets for themselves, organizers.
That's also, bro, if you're throwing a party,
Yeah,
like
to
you,
the-
Yeah,
you want to go
exactly.
to it.
Khandan.
No, I'm not saying. I'm saying the ticketing platform.
Bro, the whole thing is so stupid to me
Yeah.
because I understand like the people who are complaining about it. You want to go and watch this band. You've grown up watching this band, and Coldplay especially is one of those bands like when people
It's
are
an
into
iconic
it,
band.
they
Yeah.
love it, and I don't blame them. They make good music. People like it's music that you listen to when you're sad.
Yeah.
So people have associated with that. And if they're coming to your city or they're coming to your country, for a lot of people, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity to go watch this.
Hmm.
But
They've
too
come
bad.
after. They've come after 8 years, bro.
Just too bad, man. I don't know what to say because
Yeah.
I think people who really can get it, they'll throw money and वो लोग कर लेंगे.
so
Black
but the
में मिल
people
रहा
who
है.
are upset are the people who can't.
Who can't. Who have no chance.
It's just frustration coming out
Yeah.
online.
They're voicing it out.
There's also one more thing that they're going to do one more city in India. I saw some
One more
reel.
city.
Yeah, that they'll probably do Ahmedabad.
Bro, they could do 8 cities and 9 cities
Exactly,
and they'd
bro.
all be sold out.
Yeah.
So it's like they can't do
Logistics
enough.
crazy है
They
भाई
can't do
उसका.
enough shows
Yeah, they
unless they
can't
do
do.
like 20 or 30, and there's too many people.
Yeah.
And the band is just so mainstream. Like there is no way that everyone who wants to see it and also can afford it
Yeah.
can go. I was in fact surprised that so many people were in that queue.
Yeah.
That I was just like, bro, the spending power of this country has
It's going up,
really
like-
going up.
Yeah.
I saw this reel, okay, of this one guy who's posted a reel of him booking the tickets. So it says you're 50,000 in line, 7,000 all, and then after that he's like, me, POV, the middle class you buys tickets. So some comment is like middle class बोल के middle class बोल के उसने 30,000 रुपए खर्च किए. And it was like just hating on that guy. Saying how can you call yourself middle class when you're spending 30 grand?
On concert tickets. Yeah. At the end of the day, it's a concert, bro. Like अगर तू 30,000 concert पे डाल रहा है, you're making good money.
No,
bro.
but it's also one of those concerts that you would sacrifice a few things to go and watch.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
you're like, okay, the 30,000 will come back.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like your savings, but it's an experience that you
this
can't
is-
replace.
ये
bro.
once in a lifetime जो तूने बोला है ना बहुत सही है वो.
It's an adventure of a lifetime.
हाँ. Yeah.
Nice.
Well,
Good one.
well done.
He's looking like Charlie Sheen in that shirt of his.
Do we want to talk about the influencer argument as to why influencers
Yeah.
get passes?
Why
We've not gotten
influencers
passes
get
just before people think we're
Yeah.
They're
No,
not
we don't
getting
have
all.
passes.
we're not getting. Damn it.
First
We didn't
of
do that
all,
deal.
Coldplay don't need influencers to
They don't
Yeah.
need marketing
promote
only, bro, for this.
them. ठीक है?
See, this is how it goes. Usually for events, they give influencers passes in exchange of maybe posting about the event or
Awareness or
just like marketing
yeah,
basically
yeah,
and
yeah.
making people aware that this event is happening.
Yeah.
And that you need to do stuff like that. It's just like paying for an ad. How is it different than paying an influencer who's going to get you many more conversions, get you organic engagement, do a better job at promoting the thing rather than an ad, which most people skip, right? So it's a no-brainer for organizers to be doing that. And now for an event like Coldplay, you don't really need influencers to be promoting it. But it's just like every event that you do, you kind of need influencers present over there. It's just how things are now. Like,
it's just to capture everything in a more, you know that they're going to go there to do their job.
yeah.
To safeguard it, to make sure.
कि भाई ये
I
100
guess.
लोग, their fucking reach is crazy.
Yeah.
They are
100,
going to be
200
there,
million,
so
bro.
it's like guaranteed they're buying their views in
Yeah.
a way. Like it makes sense.
So now I understand how someone who's not an influencer or a creator and is not a part of this could be frustrated as to
कि इसको क्यों मिल रहा
why
है?
doesn't he have to stand in queue and why is he getting it? Now, to me, that's a very silly thought to have because if it's a person's job to be covering these things and just like that's what creators do, right? They go to events, they
but
cover it.
I think one thing is there's envy because
Of course.
let's say I'm sure there's plenty of these creators who don't give that much of a fuck about a Coldplay coming and playing and they're getting to go just so they can look hot and be like
Yeah,
cover
baby.
the event.
That's what they're going for.
हाँ, so I feel like they don't value their passes as or their this thing to
Of
get
course,
in
it's
as
come
much as
easier
a
to
fan
them
would,
than- yeah.
and that's probably what pisses them off the most. I
Yeah.
think.
But I mean, that's a silly way to think about it because how much I value a pass or how much I value that experience, it being more or less than you, what does that have to do
Yeah.
with anything? Like,
The experience.
अरे, उसको कुछ मिला है जो मेरे को नहीं मिला है.
हाँ तो
हाँ, वो है.
वो envy समझ में आता है.
हाँ.
But then also
Jealousy
you
and all
should
that,
rationalize it, bro. Like being jealous is fine.
Bro, I don't want to sit here and defend influencers
Yeah.
or creators and ye wo, because like honestly, even I find a lot of it just I don't like it when it's fake, and I don't like when people are just showing things for the sake of showing it. But at the same time, influencers and creators, one thing that people maybe don't think about as much is they really risk a lot to build whatever career that they have, whether it's fake, whether they care about Coldplay, whether their experiences are original. That's up to them, and that's for the audience to decide
Yeah.
if they want to consume that content. But like to build a career as an influencer and deal with all the uncertainty at all times, brands nahi aa rahe kabhi, your content has dipped, and
Yeah.
you have chosen a offbeat career, and if you're doing well, you're going to get rewarded, and these are just some of the perks of being
Yeah.
a creator or an influencer.
Right.
Or being
So-
someone in like the field which is not having a stable income. So these are your perks that you're going to enjoy.
But I don't think people are going to care
They're obviously
to
not
think
gonna care
so
or
deeply
rationalize.
That's
about.
why I'm saying it now,
Yeah.
because that's
Yeah.
the way to think about it, because
हाँ. इतना अगर इतना रैशनल था ही लोगों में तो we wouldn't be talking about anything.
Exactly.
yeah, I mean, see, I like how the internet is a place where everyone gets to have a judgment on everything and have an opinion.
Yeah.
I also have opinions that I share. It's good.
Yeah.
It's a good place. Yeah. But at the same time, like, I think someone should talk about how a lot of it is very stupid also. Like, if you go on Insta Celebs Gossip, I read it. Okay, I'm gonna admit that I go on it sometimes and I just see what's
You
happening.
love bringing up Insta celebs. gossip.
Yeah, masti hai, bro. But then now, over time that I've been reading the threads, it's a very dark place, bro.
It's a very sadistic place.
Why is
Celeb
it dark?
gossip.
Insta celeb
They're
gossip.
usually just ranting about people,
r/slash
right?
Insta celeb
Like,
gossip, shout out.
I'm not in it. Or I haven't seen.
So essentially, it's this place where people go, and if they see something, someone's done something stupid, they hate on
They
it,
hate
and
on
they're
it.
like, oh, "This is
Yeah.
she's so unaware."
So
or he's
rebel
the-
kid and all, like
Yeah, like she gets a lot of hate. We also get hate sometimes. Sometimes people say nice
What do
things.
they say? Like, what kind of hate is it?
Just bro, like you take a clip, and you're like, "Oh, this is-"
But like, is there a comment that you can recall?
I don't recall.
Okay,
but
ठीक है.
But now, over time, I've realized, bro, it's just like it's a bunch of people who secretly want to be creators, but Like it's a lot of jealousy, bro, because most of the stuff is just like picking on something that is not even relevant. That's why I like it so much because it's so petty. I'm like, bro, kya chal raha hai yaar?
Sometimes you read it and you're like, bro, this is so stupid, but then you also smile. You're like, okay, you know where this person is coming from for no reason.
And then one person will be trying to give the rational view of this, and everyone usko
And sometimes they'll be like, you're the creator who they're shitting on. You hear it like if you go under some alias. It's too stupid, bro.
Funny, bro. It's whatever. This shit is gonna happen. I hope we get to go see Coldplay somehow.
Yeah, but
we didn't get passes.
Yeah.
So-
Congratulations to those who got, bro. It's a
It's a
very
big
good-
deal,
I don't
bro.
think I
They're
know
gonna have
anyone
a-
who has gotten.
Yeah.
Bro, but
None
that
of your
show,
friends.
you just
None
know
of
it's gonna
the
be
people
crazy.
I know
bro.
have gotten.
Like I'd seen them when they'd come last time. It was a free show.
You saw them?
Yeah.
It
For
was
Global
something.
Citizen.
The show had something to do with sustainability, right?
Yeah.
Global garbage
Citizen.
outside.
It
the
was
stadium.
like crazy.
Bye.
80,000 log the, bro. I was standing in line since like 12 in the afternoon. We waited ekdam aage. Then by the time they came on stage, they were throwing water bottles because people were fainting, bro. Din bhar khade the. I saw Jay-Z that day, bro. Jay-Z also had come and perform.
Oh shit.
Jay-Z and Coldplay.
Bro, crazy
That was
lineup
that Global
tha.
Citizen.
Global
concert.
Citizen.
Yeah.
Bye.
What how are these like events where there's 70, 80,000 people? Like, are they managed well?
It was decently managed. It
Over
was
80,000 people.
It's
Like,
so
it was very well
hard,
managed
like-
for 80,000 people.
you know, I want to go for this show, but now seeing that we didn't get passes, and I'm not too keen on buying it in black, which a lot
Yeah.
of people, because I don't want to overpay. And if I'm going to overpay, maybe I'll add some more money and go see it maybe abroad. They're doing shows
Yeah.
in the UAE,
Yeah.
which is not too far. And if I can afford it, I would maybe go and
Yeah.
experience that, because I don't want to buy in black.
Yeah, bro. Even I don't want to go
Man
through
of
that whole
principles.
एक
process.
लाख रुपए को बेच रहे हैं भाई
Fuck all
लोग
that.
1 lakh रुपए का
1 लाख रुपए को
बिक जाएगा बट
बिकेगा फॉर श्योर
बिकेंगे
बिकेगा
सारे लेकिन
It'll be, if I'm going abroad, I know I'm paying more money, but I'll get that experience also.
Yeah.
It'll be
so
well.
it'll be comfortable
Yeah,
bro
it'll
like
be well
either you have to
managed.
go all the way to Navi Mumbai firstly have you seen those reels
No.
people are like suddenly Mumbaikars are calling Navi Mumbai a part of Mumbai so everyone's just shitting on them because all these years they've always said it's not the same
हाँ घमंड है ना थोड़ा मुंबई और नवी मुंबई
why they've jacked up the
What's the
prices
beef,
of
man?
hotels around that place bro like around the venue
yeah
25-30 हजार रुपए a night like for those few nights
That's crazy.
Because a lot of people are going to be coming for it.
that's like this is what he said na when you have that opportunity to make money off this gig
Yeah.
do it
Yeah, like make your peace with that. Whoever has seen that and like felt bad, like this is a very weird way for you to learn about capitalism, but congrats.
learn
That's how it is, bro.
Yeah,
People
bro.
are trying to make money. Like,
Yeah.
get with it, maybe.
One thing about this whole Coldplay and people being upset thing, like I'd want to say is that there are plenty of like badass gigs that are going to be happening here.
He's that guy.
You know, I feel like no,
Which is-
it's a very
which is fair enough.
Fair enough, to have.
yeah,
but
and they're
I don't
a
get
lot
that.
cheaper.
I don't
they're
get
a lot
that.
Nee,
cheaper than
like,
these.
it's not
fucking-
about which are you
if
talking
you
about like
if you
local
can't
artists or
if
what
there's no chance that you
नहीं,
can't go for Coldplay
Bhai, मेरे को
नहीं,
अगर if I'm a die-hard Coldplay fan and I'm not going to get to see Coldplay, I'm going to be very bummed out, and going to for some indie gig isn't going to make me happy.
I'm not saying that's
I
your
don't want to see a
alternative.
tribute
Go
to
an indie
Coldplay
gig.
bro when Coldplay are coming to my city
Nothing against indie.
Here's when chai met toast.
Nothing against independent artists, bro.
I like chai met toast. They're
yeah
cool.
yeah
Chai Metos got a stray one there.
I was joking.
for no reason
Because you see them, they're performing. They perform very
Bro,
often.
See, nothing against independent musicians.
Yeah.
They should like grind and work so that people actually want to watch them as well.
Yeah.
But
I didn't mean it in a way कि oh this is an
Are you saying
alternative.
but भाई वो
नहीं।
Coldplay है bro.
नहीं वो
are
ठीक
you
है
saying
भाई,
we should
Coldplay
watch
भारी
indie
है.
artists or like you're talking about the other
No, I'm
artists
just
that are
saying.
coming
No, I'm just saying that these. I feel like there's a lot of potential in these lineups that are happening within the country, and at a rate and at a cost that is a lot cheaper than what these tickets are. So if people are looking to have an experience which is live and it's music, they have the opportunity to experience.
bro do you
Yeah.
understand
हाँ, क्या बोल रहा है?
सही बोल रहा हूँ.
Coldplay का concert भाई
अरे क्या
have you seen
Coldplay
the
भाई यहाँ
production
पुशा टी बज रहा है भाई इंडिया में.
तो
So I'm just saying, भाई, there is you can
If
experience
anyone
something
in the
that.
comment section can name 4
This
Pusha
is
T
like
songs
this is like what you really want something and your parents get
We
you
have
like a
McDonald's
fuck
at
all version.
home. This is our we have McDonald's at home version.
The McDonald's at home. It's some apple.
Shoot, yeah, salah.
Coldplay also once they were a independent artist only who no one
Yeah.
wanted to see.
Yeah.
ठीक है, वो grind होता है भाई सबका. Like
Yeah.
our like
No,
Think of the fireworks, bro.
No, but even like a lot of the, don't you feel like a lot of these people who are going to be going for a Coldplay, वो ही खुद they're not really into Coldplay. They're just going
Yeah,
because
most
it's
people
Coldplay.
can't name
But it's
two
okay.
band members.
If they can afford it, then why not?
They can afford it. Why not? I mean, yeah, I guess. Y'all are, I feel like,
See,
too
I tell you,
capitalistic to
that's
talk
like how
about
Amin
anything
said.
that
We won't
has
feel
soul
that
in
bad if we miss it out. We'll have FOMO when you see stories and all. But I haven't heard Coldplay since like
ठीक है भाई.
2016.
Fuck it. इधर लोगों को
Coldplay this, Coldplay that.
You already been, bro. What are you saying? तूने तो देख लिया है.
इसलिए that's why he's hating
But-
on everyone who's angry,
Yeah.
I think.
No, it's not that, bro. The thing is, I haven't heard their music since I saw them. So I only know their
Since
old
2016. Huh, that's their best stuff,
वो ही
right?
तो बजाने वाले हो.
That's what they're going to, yeah.
They're going to play on nostalgia only. But फिर भी, like, my hate is not hating on
क्या
them. It's-
इसको कुछ चाहिए, इसको बोल रहा है, oh I haven't heard the new music so they will play on.
I would say I won't be that
over
upset.
analyzing the situation. भाई लोगों को टिकट्स चाहिए थे, उनको नहीं
नहीं
मिले,
मिले,
वो
वो
रो
गुस्से
रहे हैं वो.
Yeah.
बस
ठीक है,
हो गया.
रो सब.
हो गया. Anyway, I have like 3 extra passes. Selling them for
Are you
60K each.
60K, you're
60K
selling
is
too
cheap,
cheap, bro. You're
I'm
selling
a
too
sweet
cheap.
guy.
Isn't
Oh.
60K, but he's saying standing passes, जो 6,000 में बिक रहे थे.
चाहिए तो लो.
Well, 10x profit. Not,
Yeah.
Nothing too shabby. भाई इधर लोगों को लेटेंट का टिकट नहीं मिल रहा है. मेरे को मैसेज कर रहे हैं.
Bro, Latent is being sold in black.
या वो भी
Which is insane, bro.
Yeah,
10,000
that
रुपए दे रहे लोग.
really blew
एक
my
ticket
mind.
का.
That
Bhai,
latent
it's-
shows are
That's
going in black.
I was just talking to someone about this. We were like debating whether hype culture would like be like an Indian product would be there, you know, like how people react to a Prime in the UK or people react to these other crazy
Yeah.
Supreme
Yeah.
in America. This is like that.
Yeah.
It's like such an it's not a big thing,
Yeah.
right?
It
The
is,
show.
but no, bro. It's become a very big thing now.
Now it has obviously it's
And people are
blown
like
up.
buying and reselling
Bhai,
like crazy, bro.
The numbers that show does is like
It's like Indian television.
See, just one line. Trending #1 in YouTube for
Every
like
time.
3-4 days.
yeah, as soon as it drops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
#1. Like people don't understand.
Remember when we saw it for free?
We saw Amin's one.
We didn't pay
saw.
anything.
When Am was
We saw it, bro. We saw it. We were there.
We're doing this all
We
the
were there with you.
I think we got to address it, bro.
Yeah.
It's like
Like that episode, like people have put out, like people have seen it.
members episode था.
Members
समय के
episode था.
channel पे.
समय ने अभी.
People like downloaded it. I don't know what
yeah,
they did, and they
I watched
posted
the
it on their
pirated
own
one.
thing.
Sorry.
We were right
Bhai,
there.
the pirated version got 1 million views in a day. Like,
There are
I'm not
like
even
10
kidding.
pirated ones.
Yeah.
He's pulling off what he did there. But now, actually, genuinely, let's talk about it.
Let's
Yeah.
talk about it. Keep going quiet.
अब क्यों
Okay.
मुंह बंद है?
Okay.
Yeah.
So ever since that episode has gone out, like you guys said, it got leaked everywhere.
Hmm.
So the episode with Arpit and
Keshav Jha.
Keshav Jha episode
Yeah.
that went out, and so I also saw the pirated one only क्योंकि iPhone पे वो join का option आता ही नहीं है for some reason. So I couldn't like join the channel. Sorry, Samay. But so that episode went out, and obviously I was there when it was recorded, so I kind of expected the reaction that it got. And now I'm going to give my side of the story.
You're gonna.
Yeah, this is an untriggered exclusive. I've gotten so many messages, bro.
Saying address
So
it.
many messages, so many like comments.
मैं ऐसे
people-
comments देखे where they're saying हाँ इधर तो on a reel or something like हाँ ये तो ठीक है लेकिन latent पे क्यों हक दिया or something.
Makes sense on concept that we'll just like the comment.
Someone messaged me saying, भाई latent में तेरे को कम पैसे मिले थे. Bro, so that episode, I wasn't supposed to be on it. I messaged Samay around like a couple of days before that episode was being shot, and we were talking about something, and he's like, we're doing latent with Arpit, you should join. So I was like, ठीक है भाई, सही है, I'll go on it. And on the day of the episode, like I woke up and I knew कि I'm falling sick.
Oh,
But it was like right before. And the shoot was in the evening, so throughout the day I got like progressively more sick.
Mm.
And we got there and I wasn't really feeling it, but it's like you don't want to bail last minute.
Right.
तो मैंने उनको बोला भी था कि I'm not feeling too well, so I will like
Take a
मेरा
chill pill.
कम ही होगा.
Yeah.
हाँ. Then through the first episode, I was speaking a bit. By that, like for people who have seen it live, they know it happens in two
slots. Two
slots.
separate shows,
तो
yeah.
दो recordings होते हैं.
हाँ.
तो after the first recording, my voice was like gone. कि मैं बात करने को try कर रहा हूँ और ऐसा मेरा like my voice is breaking halfway.
Mm.
And then you can't just get up and leave. So I was just like sitting there playing along. So this is excuse number 1. Excuse number 2 is
The lineup.
no, I don't want to
चौथा
say
कौन था
You
lineup?
can't say
Bappa,
Bappa.
Sahil,
Bappa.
I was there. So,
पांच
bro,
लोग थे.
पांच
that day, there was Samay and Arpit on the lineup. Okay, and they are obviously both like people really wanted to see that, which is part of the reason why the episode is getting hate also, is because that collaboration was just one of the most anticipated collaborations out there. Like this is the first time Samay and Arpit were coming
Are in one place.
or on the screen
Collaborating.
together.
Yeah.
So people were just like
People
really,
expected the funniest shit ever.
The
like, on that.
darkest, I think.
But
Yeah.
what made it not funny?
it was funny only. I'm saying the expectations were just too high. ठीक है? And obviously Arpit's personality is pretty loud, bro. Like his on-screen personality at least.
Yeah.
Like he's just like saying crazy shit and that's why
Yeah.
people love him.
Yeah.
So is Samay. So
Yeah.
in that lineup, considering I was sick also, it was like when they're running the show, you don't want to get in the middle of it.
Yeah.
And I was also just enjoying them do their thing.
Yeah.
Like Arpit character में घुस रहा है, बाहर निकल रहा है, they're getting up doing stuff, and I was just like,
Yeah.
ठीक है. Sometimes you take a back seat and like enjoy what's happening.
Yeah. But Arpit on that episode seemed a little drunk. That is like saying so
But
much
he said also
out of
he
pocket
was.
shit.
Yeah.
He said that he was drunk and that's the
was
reason
drunk.
why he was just
Yeah.
chatting shit.
Bro, see, the case with Arpit is it's an interesting case. ठीक है? His humor is very unique to himself,
Yeah.
you know? And people watch him on his streams. That's where you experience Arpit being funny. And then the people who watch him know that this is what I'm going to get. Like, he's going to say crazy shit. He's going to say absurd shit.
That's
And
why they watch him, yeah.
And that's why it's funny.
Yeah.
Like, this guy will just say anything.
Uh-huh.
Now you take that humor and you put it on a show that is like properly mainstream now.
Yeah.
Everyone's parents is watching it. Everyone's sister, brother, like whoever you
Parents?
know is watching that show. Yeah, bro. वो proper. It's a comedy.
It's a show now, bro. It's like a Kapil Sharma,
Yeah.
probably like the next Kapil Sharma type.
For a
Yeah.
younger audience,
Yeah.
but I know a lot of older people who also watch it. So you take that humor, you take that personality, and you put it there. A lot of people are not going to like it.
Yeah.
You know, like they're saying he's being rude to the contestants or ye wo. Bro, that's
Yeah.
Arpit. He's
Of course
that's
he's gonna
Arpit
fucking-
energy, bro.
The contestants are also like some of them
Steam.
were really funny.
It'd be so weird if he was like being nice to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If he's encouraging them to do the shit. that
Balraj
they're
is always encouraging. I've
Yeah.
noticed. He's always
He's the-
Come on, you can.
He's such a gentleman.
Yeah. I'll
A
also-
gentleman like Balraj, bhai.
One more point is that this was recorded like 2-3 months ago, bro. This was the second or third episode of Latent.
yeah.
So no one knew the whole thing.
The format was very
The format was
fresh
very
and-
new.
Yeah.
So like at least now whoever comes on the panel, they know how to tackle it.
yeah.
Yeah, we
Or,
were
you
one
know,
of the first ones.
They're expected to know how to tackle it, or there is enough proof of concept for them to watch.
Yeah.
I think only one episode was out before you went on, which is also like another reason where you don't know exactly what is to be done in that situation. And then obviously if you have two personalities who are running the show, I don't think you would want to.
No,
just
but
to
I
get
still feel like
attention.
you could have butted in a little bit.
But
more.
I wasn't in that state only. Like bro, that when
You
I
don't
think of
remember- yeah,
when I
when he-
think of
Then he
that
was
day,
sick,
I was
I
just
remember
hazy.
that.
Like I don't remember.
When he got off the first time only, I asked him, I said, why have you not spoken? I said, you've spoken like 2 words.
I told him, bro, I'm not like feeling
Feeling it.
well, and this is when I had just come from
Yeah.
a 2-month long vacation, so I was still like settling in with this whole thing.
yeah.
You did the second show also, right?
He
after
did
that?
both.
Yeah.
Bhai, or
good, bro.
live is a
Matlab-
different scene.
Yeah.
Obviously, it gets edited and all, but once you're there, you don't want to say something stupid. Now, but if I ever do the show again, and I hope that happens, I have to redeem myself.
Yeah.
But once I
Talk
do it,
over somewhere.
no, you
Grab
just,
his-
it's one of those shows where you have to just say whatever you think is funny in the moment, and
Yeah,
either
bro.
it'll land or it won't
Yeah.
land.
Yeah.
Like, इतना सोचने का नहीं रहता उसमें.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That show is making like real time life impact, bro.
Yeah.
Like it actually changes people's
But
lives.
that's what
Right now.
we do with each other. You just got to do it there.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ. अभी
the
यहाँ
same
पे
thing.
अगर 200 लोग बैठे रहते तो your approach would also change ना यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, like that experience was still fun. Like,
Yeah.
I wish like it wasn't in the circumstances that it was, but ठीक है अभी हो जाता है.
They cut a lot of it, right? Because I remember seeing more people and
Of course they do.
The
remember
show is
Samay was playing the guitar also or something like that happened.
He posts the deleted stuff on his
Or his
members.
members, yeah.
So you can go see those. But सही है भाई. मतलब ठीक
Shout
ही
out to
था.
Samay for starting this, bro.
Yeah.
Pretty
Yeah.
cool IP.
Yeah, it's badass.
Yeah. Balraj. Shout out to good boy Balraj also, bro.
He's such a gentleman.
He's such a
He should.
gentleman.
I feel like he should be on every panel.
He is now.
he's there on
He
most
नहीं वो
panels.
थोड़ा sanity लाता है मालूम है क्या?
Balance करता है वो.
Yeah.
Everyone's going fucking crazy.
Did you see that reel that was posted on Balraj's account and it's Samay ranting about Balraj? He's like,
What does
"And
he
shit, मैं ये सब मेहनत कर रहा हूँ और सारे लोग बलराज बलराज respect
Dude, he's
button."
doing it so well. Yeah,
उसका टोन है.
Yeah, that's his tone.
मार किया उसने.
Balraj is just laughing in the background. Posted on Balraj's page.
I also got to see Samay live a couple of times, both in Delhi and Mumbai. And bro, like if he's doing more shows and whoever is not watched him live yet, bro,
Yeah.
like you definitely need to experience that because, bhai, matlab from all the shows that I've attended, stand up, like this is on a different level, bro. Matlab both international also.
Fuck. And we watched
We've
Russell
seen-
Peters.
Yeah, I've seen
and-
Russell
we've seen
Peters.
Russell
I've seen who's that guy?
The guy who came recently,
Yeah,
na?
yeah.
Anthony.
Anthony Jeselnik. I've
Jeselnik.
watched.
You'll put somewhere above.
Yeah.
That's yeah.
I mean, this
Samay-
current act that he's doing.
Yeah, work of art, bro. It's proper. Man, हंस के पागल हो रहे थे लोग, bro, in the audience. Like each and every person around us.
You know, I also feel like because of him growing digitally, like people just and people seeing him online, they know that it's a good time already, so they're ready to cooperate with the jokes. Because he says
jokes are nasty,
all
dude.
dank material by all the time.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
He's just gotten so good at it.
Yeah, and he's
Yeah.
extremely good also.
Like he's put in a lot of effort into like building this whatever he's built. Like he puts a lot of effort into what he does, and it shows. And people also appreciate it. I think now they've started like looking at him. Because for some people he's like, oh, this guy ये तो बकचोदी करता है. But the people who have seen him through the years, they know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This guy is like
Evolved.
He's a real deal.
Yeah. In such like 3-4 years, bro. If you look at it, 3 साल में देख. 3 साल पहले क्या था?
हाँ.
Like
Selling
nothing.
out stadiums,
COVID,
bro.
yeah.
I also love that through Latent, these like contestants are getting opportunities
Yeah.
to
That's-
perform before him and
That's very sweet of him, bro. Like he
that
knows
Naman
how he
Arora is too hilarious.
Naman was too good, bro.
Crazy though.
And the best part is none of us knew he's playing a character.
I
So,
knew, bro.
I genuinely didn't understand. Because you remember you watched it before
Oh
me.
shit, it's a character. Oh yeah, he's an actor and all.
Yeah.
You watched his act? इसमें?
I was
जब
like
open
that.
किया था?
That's the reason it's funny because the jokes weren't funny.
Yeah, that's the character he's
But the
playing.
Pura
character
character.
is the jokes are not funny. He's just
Yeah.
making
Yeah.
silly jokes and he's like a silly guy.
I thought he was kind of.
Yeah. I thought he was like a Theo Von. You know, that's how I took
No,
him.
not even Theo Von.
Like
when
before,
when
when
you
I
see him the
watched
first
the
time,
episode.
he's like a little slow, and you feel bad,
Yeah.
and then you're like you want to support him because suddenly you feel like, oh bro, this I feel so nice. He's
like underdog
putting
vibes.
it out,
Yeah.
underdog vibes.
Yeah.
When
But-
he won, also everyone lost it, and then suddenly everyone realized that, oh, this guy's actually an actor. Crazy acting though, bro. Very good.
Yeah.
Fuck, I kind of like him less now that I know it's an act.
You should
I
like
thought
him
it was-
more, bro.
You thought
That's
he's
the
just a
craft.
simple,
I thought he
sweet
was
man.
yeah. I thought he was just some
He's dressed like
guy. He wore something like this. Huh?
yeah, on a flannel.
Yeah. These are all our shopping clothes today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Should we get into the clothes?
We went.
into the clothes.
I'm in mine already.
Get into the clothes.
New thing.
This also we got from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, for whoever's watching this, like 3 a.m. today in the around, like in the evening, we had gone out and we were like, bhai, aaj, after a long time, we're all four together, so let's record a boys episode. बोला आज अच्छे नए कपड़े पहन के करते हैं.
Yeah.
So we were in Bandra and we were like, यहाँ पे थोड़ा shopping करते हैं, and then we walked into the Sold store. Now this place I've always seen it. But I used to think the Soul Store is this place where you get like merch. Like
Okay.
Marvel ka, ye wo.
You thought it's just merchandising.
Haan. But bahar se like the store looked nice, so I said let's go check this out, let's see what's happening. And I went and they have like actual, like what we're wearing is also
This is
from
all
there.
Soul Store.
Yeah.
Like even these jeans, I can't like show y'all, but
Please
must
don't.
that.
Yeah.
I'm liking it.
And then I think this is the first time all four of us have shopped together.
It feels
Oh,
nice.
yeah,
bro.
man.
We've actually
This is
never
the
gone
first
shopping.
time.
We have, bro. We went
We've
once.
gone like there have
We
been
went
pairs.
once, no?
Me and Yugu used to go.
Yeah.
Both of
y'all
them.
used to go.
Oh wait, there was one time when all four of us had gone to
We
Phoenix.
did go. We did
For
go
what?
once.
We had just gone like that. Oh no, Krishna wasn't
I
there.
was not
Bro,
there.
to get him to shop
To
is
come
a
to
task.
Phoenix is insane.
I don't know, like shopping, yeah.
Yeah.
But the Soul Store was great. Whatever I shopped for was
Maza aaya.
Yeah,
I just
like-
picked this fit out and gave him. I was like, bhai, ye tere pe acha lagega.
Yeah.
pehn le."
Yeah.
Nice. Shout out to them for making us look good.
Yeah, bro. This one though hai.
मेरी मम्मी बोलती रहती है तुम लोग ढंग के कपड़े
Yeah,
नहीं
my
पहनते
mom's
हो."
Bro, my
behind my
mother
life.
also told me this the other day. She's
That's
like,
why I've started dressing nice, bro.
she's like, you don't even iron your t-shirt. You all don't even comb your hair. Just come and sit over there. I was like, okay, bro, that's the.
This is still fine, bro. This is much better than saying तुम लोग गाली क्यों देते हो ये क्यों
That
करते
also I get a lot.
हो? I think
Now
they're
it's
past
गाली
it now.
देने में क्या problem है भाई?
They're
What is-
past it by now. अभी क्या इतना तो देख लिया उन्होंने.
Nahi, I
But
only my dad
sometimes
messaged
there
me.
is a crassness to how the galis are given.
अभी तो हम भाई we have become good boys. It's been a while I think.
Yeah.
Since we've
It's so
been
nice,
like
Sharif aisa.
Yeah.
अरे एक हाथ दिया भी नहीं है like किसी को.
भाई ये हर दूसरा दिन में लौड़े.
yeah.
It was synonymous with.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't really called anyone.
But वो हो जाता है भाई. After growing up a bit, you're like, I don't want to be so crass all the time.
For no reason. ये लौड़े पानी ले गया.
ठीक से पूछ सकता है.
Yeah.
I think Stuvi cusses the most.
Look at me, bro. I'm such a fucking good
You-
boy with
Yes,
my
such a
buttoned up
fucking good
buttoned
boy. Didn't even.
We once we tried
Couldn't even
to
last that
have a
long.
competition ki whoever
yeah.
goes without cussing for a while.
The longest
Who won?
run. I don't
Yeah,
think,
I think-
any of us won.
20 minutes.
20 minutes
You
is
were,
too
we were
short.
just
yaar.
fucking just talking, bro.
Yeah.
निकल जाता है. And it's
Yeah.
not like we're trying to look cool or act hard or anything. घर पे कर रहे थे, bro, ये सब.
Just out of comfort.
Yeah, it's out of comfort.
But abhi I've done a couple of episodes in which like I'm sitting with someone.
Yeah, like Salim
Like
Merchant.
with Salim
But
Merchant,
he's not
I'm
gonna
not
say
gonna
something. Yeah.
You have to really be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to give galis.
Solo episode you can't.
I
If
don't
it-
think they care, but still.
If
like,
it
No, but
deserves...
it can't be out of pocket. Like if he has 15, 20, like if he has a decent amount of time to get to know, like have a conversation with you before the cameras are rolling, and you find a way to like make him make it a comfortable conversation, I feel like then
it
on
depends on the
camera.
conversation.
If it
Yeah.
warrants...
हाँ.
Either
Yeah, for
हम-
no
like
reason
that,
you can't
like-
just start.
अभी अगर हम चारों बैठ के लंड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो बिना लंड बोले कैसे बात करेंगे?
Correct.
You know, but I'm not
What is a
talking
ling?
about
Ling.
that. I think lund is just nicer to say.
Then ling?
Yeah, ling makes
Ling
it even
sounds a
more
little
weird.
creepy. Yeah.
Ling.
Ling sounds like kind of like Chinese. ling ling.
उनका ये है.
उनका ling ling.
Oh, man.
From where to where are we going? Yeah, but like you can't cuss when there's a guest. It's a solo episode, bro.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है
Yeah.
अभी.
नहीं डाल सकते.
कभी ना कभी तो निकल जाएगा भाई.
हाँ bro. I think it's fine if you do.
I think it's very funny when guests का निकल जाता है. Like it, I
Yes.
really like it when they're like... It's moments like that. You're like, why? This is
why
like...
they slip up sometimes.
Yeah,
Fuck,
like-
fuck they say.
Yeah, like for even cricketers, when we hear them say something on the mic, we're like, yeah. इसने बोला
हाँ
ऋषभ पंत का भी बहुत funny है भाई.
The javelin throw guy, bro. I'm sorry, I don't know his name. Shout out, bro. He won us a medal in the Paralympics, and he's so cute, bro. Like, he went running. He threw it, it goes, lands, and he comes, Maki Chan! And then he goes on, he's like walking. And then, have you seen his post-match interviews? I think that's the
he
best thing
cussed
ever,
on
bro.
one of them also, right?
No.
I think.
So one of them is like, क्या हुआ आपने जब फेंका and all? He's like, वो तो निकल गया and all. He's like, फिर कोच ने मुझे बोला कि आपने 36 point whatever फेंका. मैंने बोला खाओ मम्मी कसम. And it's so fucking funny, bro. And all the comments are also just like supporting this guy. He went on some podcast the other day,
Yeah, he's
which he opened up about his like crush on Tamanna. He's too good, bro. This guy.
I don't blame him, bro.
too good.
We watched.
no one blames.
We watched Sri too.
Oh yeah.
She's in three.
She's
three
a
She has a cameo.
She's done a
yeah.
cameo.
And
The
she's-
number of cameos in that movie is
item,
insane, bro.
क्या बोलते हैं item number?
Item song.
It's still a thing, bro. Like in movies.
And I'm not complaining,
It's so
bhai.
good,
Hey,
bro.
can't-
That's something Bollywood will never change, bro.
Bro, Krishna, you're not gonna believe this.
What?
We've all gone for the movie, late night show, कुछ तो 11 बजे. The movie gets done, okay, and then there's an item number at the end of the movie as well,
Huh.
which has both Tamanna and Shraddha in it. The theater did not move, bro. दो बजे सवेरे के सब ऐसा बैठ के देख रहे. Credits are rolling. These two women are dancing and people are just loving it.
Well, is it misogynistic to like a masala song once in a while? Like,
I mean, maybe this song I haven't heard the song, so I'm unaware of what the song
The
is.
song
Even I didn't hear
is really good, bro.
I think there are some
Next
songs that
episode
are a
will
little too turkey also.
I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
I think one song goes like पल्लू के नीचे छुपा के रखा है उठा
खोलूं
दूं तो
तो
हंगामा हो.
We should do a
प्रीतम प्यारे.
should do a top 5, bro.
मैं तो तंदूरी मुर्गी हूँ यार. तंदूरी मुर्गी भाई का.
चिपका लूं सहिया.
Fevicol से. मुन्नी.
तेरे फोटो. भाई, see. I get it.
a hard
ठीक है.
song,
If you're gonna analyze it like this, it's
Yeah.
pretty
Too hard.
fucked up. And like the way those videos are, it's like one hot like female
Yeah.
One of the most
A woman.
beautiful
Actresses.
Ever.
actresses you'll have in that.
and they make
Yeah.
them look really attractive
Yeah,
bro, in those
yeah,
videos.
yeah.
और उसके पीछे 100 आदमी are just like
Fucking lusting over her, bro. Dancers वाले.
वो मुन्नी बदनाम में I think Amitabh Bachchan and Saif Ali Khan को there's two people cosplaying and they're also like trying to like get to the
This is in the background.
like
It's so
200
funny.
300 men just like chasing. And see, the problem with that is I'm not looking at those men.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not finding it fucked up in the moment. Like I'm just like I'm one of
Locked
those men
in,
in
bro.
those moments.
Yeah.
But then बाद में when you say like yeah भाई क्या था ये
yeah.
Which was that South Indian song that blew up, bro? And
कावलिया
Kavalya or Ante Wawa?
Ante Amlapuram.
No. Ante That song goes too
with
hard.
Samantha
bro.
Prabhu, no?
Yeah, Samantha Prabhu.
With
Shout
song,
out.
with
Ooh, Antawa.
I've never seen the video till date, you know.
It's a good video.
I know, I never
Hard
found
hai,
it.
hard
I've only found like fake versions of it.
सही है भाई. Sri was fun though.
Sri
too was fun.
Yeah. It's like done a lot. Crazy numbers.
Haan, crazy number. I just found out that Shraddha Kapoor is the most followed Indian on.
No, she's
Most
the second
followed-
most followed Indian.
Kohli-
Kohli is the
Kohli
first.
होगा
No,
भाई.
she's
she's the.
surpassed.
I checked. Kohli's
Alright.
Kohli's 315 million
Yeah.
and she's 93.
I think it's overall. social media.
315 million.
She's second.
No, it's
She's
only
second.
I saw.
Actress रहेगी first.
most
Followed
followed
actress.
Indian woman. I think.
Indian
Woman to for sure. Because first is Kohli, then is her.
Wild. Yeah.
Damn.
She gives that as a girl next door vibe, right?
Yeah.
Shraddha Kapoor.
She's cute, bro. I was just telling after the movie. I was just like, bro, I feel like we could be nice friends.
Yeah, Shraddha
Yeah.
Kapoor is cool. I also
Shraddha
like when
Kapoor and I
she
can
speaks Marathi and
Be friends.
She speaks Marathi.
yeah, she speaks Marathi very well. She also
She-
sings very well,
Yeah.
right?
She's just the best, isn't she?
Yeah, she's great. She's great.
Shraddha, if you're ever watching this.
Not
This is-
subtle at all.
Shraddha's cool.
She gives that vibe, bro. Like you can chill with her.
Yeah.
Homie.
Hmm.
She's one of the boys.
Hey, come on.
Abhi jana. Just let's talk
She's
about
too
the
good
movie.
looking to be one of the boys.
How is it? Tell me about the film. I haven't watched it.
We can't spoil
it's an
it, bro, for
entertainer,
people.
bro. Like
Yeah,
you go,
it
you
Is it better than the first one? Because I really like
I
it.
haven't watched the first one.
It's all nice, bro. It's within the same type of movie, same
Yeah.
character, same vibe. It's अच्छा है, bro. मतलब you 2 घंटे के लिए मस्ती है.
If you watch the first film, you'll definitely enjoy, and even if you haven't, you can still understand.
There's
the
like a
story
social
and
message and all also, bro, to it.
Yeah,
At
even the
the
first
end.
one had a
Good,
social
yeah.
message.
It's just an entertaining
It's
film.
an
If you
absolute
go and
entertaining
expect some कुछ
Yeah,
crazy
don't
mind
ex-
changing.
Steven Spielberg types.
Yeah,
नहीं
वैसा
है.
नहीं है. Entertaining है, अच्छा है.
Yeah, it's a good.
Everyone's
Yeah,
done a good job.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
watch it for sure.
I watched Tumbad also.
Oh,
Tumbad.
you watched it for the first time?
Yeah.
It's a crazy film, bhai.
भाई
I really love it.
मेरे को लगता है the way people spoke about it, they just took the hype to some next level. So I went and I expected and some.
What put you
You
off
were
the
disappointed?
It
VFX?
didn't put me off. Nothing put me off. I enjoyed the movie. But I was just like, भाई तुम लोग ऐसा बोल रहे हो कि like I felt like it'll win Oscars and shit. But it's just a different movie. Like you go and you watch it, attention to detail, the way it's shot, everything is like crazy. Like you won't expect it. If I had just gone for this movie without hearing anything about it, I would have found it crazy. But मजा आया मेरे को मतलब.
Yeah,
It's just
I
like-
really enjoyed the film.
I could never predict what's gonna come.
Yeah.
And acting was done
Acting,
well.
everyone's done a brilliant job. And they've really, I feel like that eeriness of the entire film has been done so well. Like it doesn't take a lot. I feel like, I don't think the budget of this movie was extremely high also, right? So, most of it is in Maharashtra, no?
Yeah.
In Marathi, sorry. What
No,
am I
no.
saying? Maharashtra.
Hindi है
Hindi
mostly.
hai kya? I can't remember why. But either way, it's one of my favorite films.
Took them 6 years to make it.
Crazy.
Damn.
Yeah.
We watched Kill last night on TV.
Oh shit.
Oh my
Good movie, bro.
वो भी नहीं देखा है मैंने Kill.
Bro, you gotta watch it. Like Raghav, too good.
भाई हमने वो तो
It's a
थिएटर में देखा
gruesome
था.
movie, dude, but it's
Too
Yeah,
good, bro.
I
I
was
love
walking
how
by the
gruesome it
TV
was.
and he's fucking stabbing one guy 20 times.
gore, yeah. खराब था भाई, like.
हमने
Sound
थिएटर में
effects.
देखा था bro. और I remember I sent Raghav a video while
Yeah,
leaving the
yeah,
theater.
yeah.
I was like, bro, what the fuck have you done? What is this?
Yeah.
Because he had told us, मेरा कुछ crazy picture आने वाला है. It's going to be one of the most violent films.
films.
And he
I
it
didn't take him
fucking
seriously,
was,
bro.
dude. Yeah, definitely was, bro, I'd say.
Action wise, सही था भाई.
Yeah.
Like in Indian movies, seeing good action is rare. I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah.
Because
नहीं, they
it's
don't do
usually
it.
that over the
was-
top dishum
yeah,
dishum type.
Because Dishum then really
It
emphasizes
sells.
for the crowd ना कि हाँ ये hero है इसका. That's why it's like this.
Yeah.
Crazy was how it was built all in just like one train. Like the whole concept is just a train.
Yeah.
एक ही
Whoever-
ट्रेन के अंदर शूट गया
सब
है.
सब
The all-
सब ऐसा मस्ती
yeah.
होता है
Almost,
train
except
में.
the beginning and the end.
Yeah. End also is just outside, right on the platform. That's where the end ends.
Yeah.
But yeah, most of it was in the train.
और
Like,
मस्त
fully
Too much
shot.
fun, bro.
Raghav
Too much
ने,
fun.
he's done a good job.
Raghav's
Like,
done a
He
great
played.
Has he like gotten jacked and all?
No, no,
No,
he's
skinny.
His
the
character
same
is
train.
like the skinny assassin kind of a
Okay.
like.
Too good, bro. Like
Yeah.
he has the same move where he'll take the knife and he'll hit this guy from top. This guy will block him and he'll like stab him from the left side.
Crazy,
bro. So good.
I don't think that was the
Best part about it.
That was
yeah.
so cool, bro. Every
His-
time, like 4 times he did that.
His
Just-
on-screen
Yeah,
You
presence.
hated him,
too
bro.
good.
You hated him like for what he
Too good,
does in
bro.
that movie.
And he was so witty with his lines. सब-
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah. I really appreciated it.
Crazy.
हाँ कहाँ से कहाँ गया वो?
That's one of my favorite episodes, bro. Honestly, the
Yeah,
one with
the
him.
Raghav one.
Yeah.
मजा आ गया था.
Missed that. Croc Rose.
Croc Rose.
Croc Rose.
What else is up with you guys?
What's up
Man.
with you, Yugo? You're looking
Hugo's
like
back. Hugo's back. Bro.
Yugo's back.
Hey, we all forgot. It's been so long since he's come
he's
back.
looking like
I mean, I've been back for like a month.
Yeah.
And
Month
more,
you
more
haven't
than a
been
month.
back.
It's been more. Yeah, it's been a
Boys
month.
episode नहीं किया हमने.
Boys
तो.
episode एक ही हुआ था, but was it a boys episode? जो
कौन
किया
सा?
था हमने. We did one. Each
Oh
one.
yeah.
3-man
No, but
episode.
that-
No. We did one when he had
4
come
of us,
back.
bro.
Oh.
Yeah. But yeah, looking like what you were.
I was going to say you look like Lamine Yamal right now with a jersey.
Yamin.
Lamin, na?
Lamine Yamal.
Lamal.
Lamine Yamal.
Yamin
Lamine
Yamal.
Yamal.
Lamin Yamal बोला क्या मैंने? Sorry.
We all sound like
He doesn't look like that though.
He doesn't look like any of them.
That?
Yeah, you look like Yugu.
Just
always
because-
looks like anything. Bro.
You please wear those glasses of yours.
Yeah, you need to put them on.
लग रहा है वो थोड़ा.
Brother, we know you like him and
Yeah.
all.
Someone commented Yugu looks like a kid. Salim looks like
Yugo
adult
if he was
Yugo
young. Yeah.
on the Salim Merchant episode.
Salim, kuch bhi bhai.
Then I realized I saw the nose is quite similar. That's why people
Anything, dude.
said. The smile is similar. There's
Conscious हो
something.
रहा है भाई वो.
नहीं,
Like,
नहीं.
Stop picking on his like every.
My features.
Yeah.
You can pick on them. Bro.
I like your features.
What has Yugo looked like, bro? Like the
Anuv.
comments.
Anuv is the
Anuv though is the
closest.
most
Anuv?
identical, I think.
Yeah.
Renal.
Poonam.
Poonam?
People,
said Poonam?
people have said
Yeah.
he looks like Poonam.
Yeah, put a pair of on him.
Karan Kanchan with short hair.
Correct.
अब वो भी है.
Damn.
Then this is already 4
हाँ
guests.
भाई
और कौन था?
काफी crazy है.
G-Eazy.
G.
Easy the man.
That was a stretch. Yeah.
Shayan.
Shayan bhi.
Yeah.
I don't see that one.
नहीं उस पे भी है.
Oh yeah, Shayan also people said.
I hate
What?
this segment so much.
Okay, ठीक है,
Just-
let's move on.
Of you. Yeah, it's so like.
Yeah, it's unnecessary.
Yugu looks like this.
Card
So
देना
Yugu's back.
Yeah.
चाहिए. What's up?
How was Bangalore?
Bangalore was short, I would say, for me. I don't think I got to spend enough time there.
Good.
But yeah,
You know, Bangalore जा रहा है भाई. Ever since you've come back, we've been having so much fun.
true. That
Bro,
is
honestly, like I think Yugu went away for a month and he realized like भाई क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? I'll go back to the boys.
2 months. Yeah.
हाँ, 2 months he wasn't here, then he came back. And we've been going out every weekend. Yugu comes to me, he's like, भाई आज करते हैं कुछ. Or I'll
Yeah,
go to
bro,
him, he's like,
these
let's
two
do
have
some-
begun to go out.
Yeah, because bro,
Crazy.
Bangalore experience was crazy, ना nightlife वगैरह बहुत experience.
Yeah.
Not really. I don't think
बहुत गया
I
बाहर.
went out. I used to go out on Thursdays. There's a nice local bar that does karaoke on Thursdays.
Hmm.
So I'd try to go out on a Thursday.
But you've never recommended like going for karaoke when you're here.
Because we wouldn't.
He hates
है ना?
going out over here.
Yeah,
Used to, now he likes.
Yeah, I feel like we grind, bro. The week mein, like Monday to Friday is
अपना work hard, play hard चल रहा है.
yeah.
bro.
Right now we're in that phase where Monday to Friday is like proper. Just go to the gym, like or be in the studio. That's it. And so like the weekend at least we gotta, you know.
We're a step
Let's
out.
grind down.
We're a
Let's
step
sleep
out.
till
5
should we
PM.
go out or
Meet
not?
some people maybe.
Yeah.
Some
Meet some
people of the opposite gender. Hopefully.
In specific.
Definitely. Yeah. Yeah.
But we've been having fun that way. Like we go out, we talk to girls.
Every time or yeah.
नहीं मतलब if we're out we do time pass. मतलब we go out and we're like भाई आज मस्ती करेंगे.
Yeah.
It's like that. I talk to new people. Not
Yeah.
obviously not always like with the intention of like hooking up.
Right.
I just talk to more people. Try to have a good time. This last weekend though was crazy, bro.
Oh. This one was
past
the last
weekend-
one, bro. Like
this past
both of them.
weekend, it's Monday night. I don't know how we're all.
I have no
like,
idea how we're functioning,
it's
bro.
Functioning.
It's probably 4 right now. But yeah, this Saturday I think we went out.
Friday also.
Friday no.
Friday we went out.
Friday all went.
Friday we didn't go out, but we were
We went
recording.
out, bro.
We went out on Friday
we
also.
went out. We
You all
for a
went
friend's
out.
birthday
When I
party.
came, you said
Oh,
you
yeah,
were-
yeah,
slept
yeah.
late.
Right.
Friday we went for a birthday. Saturday we.
Saturday we got wrecked
Yeah.
at Wreckfest.
Wreckfest.
Neck wreck.
मजा आया था
Crazy.
भाई.
Yeah. That was
Oh.
fun.
Oh.
That
good
was
night.
tiring.
I
Such a long day, bro. We had that day.
Yeah, I know it was a very long day, and at the end of it, I posted a story. In that moment, I was so happy, bro. I was like,
dude.
yeah, maza.
Oh yeah, I was playing. I was like, I'm not, then because I saw all of you like jumping over there, and that's when I was like, okay, fine. And I'm having a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah, but a lot happened, bro, between like the day and to get to that was insane.
It was a very good day for me personally. I've been really enjoying DJing again. Beach mein I had lost a bit of touch because we were so busy with all of this, but like I had decided like I want to get back into it fully because it just makes me so happy.
It's another
Playing,
it's
yeah.
another high, bro, when you're playing and entertaining. Or it's even just like it's a nice feeling, bro. It's a very nice feeling.
What's there not to like? Like you go to a place and it's a party, so people have just come out to have fun. People
Yeah.
are happy
Yeah.
already, and then you get to dictate how the party
Correct.
goes and what the vibes are, how people feel. And if you do a good job at it, there's nothing like it.
Right.
100%.
You see everyone is having fun, everyone's having a good time, people are dancing, like hugging each other, and what's there not to like?
When you see people smile, it automatically brings a smile to your face, bro.
ये अभी ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
I swear, bro. I'm not even, while playing, no, while playing, that's how I feel, bro.
If you had said one more after that, now he would have thought of one more.
No, genuinely.
When people are breathing there,
People are alive over there.
तू is such a gentleman.
yeah,
नहीं भाई, मेरे को करना है and I'm gonna do it properly. I'm gonna go to every city over the next 2 months. I'm going on
oh,
tour.
there's a tour
I'm going on
incoming.
tour, bro. Every city that I haven't been, like as many
You
as I
have
can.
been, and
as
some
many
new.
as
How
I
many-
can,
how
bro.
many
Like
have
I
you
won't go to Nashik and all, but
Hey,
I'll go to Nagpur. I'll go to Nagpur.
Okay.
The first tour,
That's
bro,
how the
so
money is
like,
at.
let's. I mean, yeah, people in Nagpur party.
people
bro.
are there. They party hard, bro.
They're fun people there.
Yeah.
bro.
नाशिक वाले कमेंट करने वाले हैं ब्रो.
Yeah, I like
Nashik
Nashik also.
Dole.
But through October, I'll be going everywhere, and I'll actually put a link in the description or in
Yeah.
the comments. Somewhere I'll put it. Find it
मजा
if
भाई
you
मेरे
really
को भी
wanna
सुनने
come.
का even I want to come.
मजा आने वाला. It's also a very nice way of traveling and seeing the country. Because each place you go to, like you have some time around the.
Are you going to be making time to like go see things?
I'll try
and
my
stuff?
best.
Hmm.
Usually, a lot of it becomes cut to cut, so you don't get that much time. But at least you can have like lunch
Right.
at that place and experience the local food.
Hmm.
Go out a bit, see the main places you can go and see.
Hmm.
But maza aata hai.
Yeah.
It's a nice way of.
I'm excited, bro, for you.
Thank
मजा
you,
आएगा.
man. Thank you.
You have to come back and tell us your favorite city.
Come back, we'll go now together.
We'll do some cities together.
Yeah.
Yeah, some. Is it going to be like a lineup for each of these
Let's see.
shows?
I just want to, like, I want it to be a fun thing. Different venues have different rules. I don't know, but lineups so honge.
Which all cities are you doing? Like abhi tak confirmed.
October, I'm doing Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Indore, I think.
Wild.
wild,
Right?
bro.
That's 8
That's
shows. How many
crazy.
shows there? 8,
6,
right?
7.
6, 7.
6,
Yeah,
7. That's
yeah.
2 every weekend, almost.
Yeah. But that's the thing, bro. I want to go to all cities and see, like, out of curiosity, just see how people party there. Because, like, I've heard a lot about Chandigarh, but I don't know anything
Yeah.
about it. I've
Correct.
heard a lot about, like, Guwahati, Dehradun. Like, every place has culture. And after going to Nepal and seeing that how even, like, how every city has their own culture and the way people party, I want to see it. I want
Yeah.
to experience it.
Yeah. Do you think there's going to be a vast difference, like from place to place in India, though?
Hota hai, bro. Like between Delhi and Mumbai, there's a big
There's a
difference.
huge difference,
There's a
bro. Every time we've
Bangalore,
done-
there's a
Highlight
difference.
one now. What is different about a Delhi party?
The kind of music they like.
Form of music will obviously
Form of music
change,
is
right?
obviously different. When you go to a city like some cities, people will come and they'll like interact with you as a DJ. Some cities it's very different where they don't want to interact with you as a DJ until the end of the night. By that what I mean is like people come forward, they're more welcoming. Some people are there for the music. That's like very predominant in some cities. Where you'll always see people in the front row like coming towards you.
Wanting to experience
But
the
that's
music
Yeah.
more than
that's
anything.
mostly people who watch us
Sorry.
and they come for our shows to see us.
Yeah. I don't think random
maybe.
people will...
I'll tell you what the difference is: the way they drink. So
That
like,
was 100%.
so like Bangalore drinks the most from what I've experienced.
Really?
Like Bangalore is the drinkiest city.
I thought Delhi
What?
would be the
It's Delhi,
drinkiest
bro.
Nahi,
place.
bro. Arey, you don't remember our Bangalore gig? Everyone by the end of it,
Was
including
hammered, yeah.
ourselves, bro. Like, I've never drank so much at a gig, but it's just like everyone was drinking so much, you feel left out. Delhi also, yes, more than
Delhi,
Mumbai.
yeah.
Delhi is also crazy. Even when we did Your Mom's House Party in Delhi and like I was performing, like even when there were people who like weren't aware of what the music sounded like ever before this one event, they wanted to engage.
Yeah.
They wanted to like
Yeah.
bop and they wanted to see अरे क्या बंदा क्या बोल रहा है इधर.
Yeah.
They wanted to vibe. They wanted to hear, listen, give the music a chance, which I really liked seeing.
Yeah.
I appreciated that a lot.
Pune is just more love. Like that's
Pune
what I've
is full
experienced.
love,
Pune
bro.
is
Like,
home.
Because
Yeah.
it's mostly people that we know.
Yeah.
And people who know us. Or also like we're Pune boys. So I think
Yeah.
everyone who comes are like, "Arey, there are
Yes, the
boys."
Pune boys.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
hate being
The
called
downer,
that
bro,
though.
that
Pune boys.
Yeah, like even like when we meet people at like events in Mumbai, I've heard it a lot.
Why do you
Yeah.
not like it?
I like being from Pune, but I don't know, Pune boys is a little weird.
No,
to
they'll
me.
just come to you and say, "Hey, you're from
Hey,
Pune.
you're the
I'm
Pune
also
boys."
from Pune." So like, you know, we're
Pune,
friends.
Pune.
No, it doesn't have to do with them being from
I don't
Pune.
mind it, bro. I really am glad for growing up in Pune. I
Yeah,
think
I
it's a
love
great city to grow up in.
Yeah.
You should
Yeah.
leave it at some point, though.
that is true. You got to know when to leave Pune, otherwise you're done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
It's
you'll
a
be
trap.
stuck.
It's a
yeah.
trap there.
Yeah.
It's a little too laid back. That's
Yeah.
true.
So you are, but I really like appreciate everything that city has given me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
It's. I mean, it made us who we are right now.
We wouldn't have had this.
We wouldn't have met each other only
Yeah.
if we
Yeah.
didn't grow up in Pune. I
Now
wish-
who's gaying things up?
This. Yeah, but this wouldn't exist.
Yeah.
Like,
Of
without.
course.
So, shout out
Pune
Pete
hard,
Town,
bro.
baby.
Hardest.
I'm gonna go back to Pune after months. I think it's been like 8 months.
Kya?
No, bro.
You haven't been in.
I haven't been to Pune
8 months is a
since
long
our-
time, bro.
Supersonic gig.
उसके बाद your mom's house party had happened.
उसके बाद नहीं.
Supersonic was the last time. I went to
Supersonic was
Feb.
Feb.
Pune. Yeah.
So then
Yeah,
Supersonic.
6
7-8
months.
महीना हुआ, bro.
Fuck, man.
That's a long time.
Yeah. I'm
Damn.
excited. Doing Pune on the 4th.
October.
October.
4th.
That's a Friday, na?
Mm.
Yeah.
Sahi
Fun
hai bhai.
Friday
time.
night. Friday night.
Fun.
Friday night
मस्ती
full tight.
करेंगे.
Friday
I'm
night
excited.
Smackdown होगा भाई उस दिन. I'm 100% sure.
I'm excited, bhai.
Yeah.
मजा आएगा.
Where is the?
I always like going back to Pune because
I just know where he's going with this.
there's like ठीक है, when you've grown up in a place, there are people around you, and by people I mean girls who don't like. Maybe they didn't give
you feel some more love when you go back to the city.
they didn't give you like too
Loved
much-
and cared
You
for.
were not.
पहले, अभी.
You were not in there.
And I don't blame them, bro. See,
Yeah.
I don't blame them. Like, I didn't deserve the bhav, maybe. I was
Haan.
like a fucking loser dude, bro, in Pune at some
But
point.
coming back like that, and you know.
But then when you leave and you become something thoda
Yeah.
and go back, it's like, it feels nice.
Hey, why did you unfollow me?
She? Who are you hanging out with who says that?
Bro,
dude.
people say that shit.
Yeah.
People take it too seriously.
Who gives a fuck?
Quite
Yeah,
stupid.
bro. We moved up in life, or am I supposed to say? I've left some things behind, baby. That's
And one of those things is your ass.
ओए माय
ठीक है, तो
4th
unfollow
October.
unfollow करने से इतना कुछ नहीं होता है, मतलब.
Yeah.
But now I realize the best thing to do is just mute.
It's like a middle ground where you
Yeah.
don't see it also, and
Yeah.
you
You're
don't even
still
unfollow them.
Stroking their ego.
Playing
Yeah.
that
It's the
neutral.
kindest thing to do.
Yeah.
Both to yourself and that person.
Yeah.
Hmm.
If you know they're going to get upset, just put them on mute. Don't see them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Instagram has
Too many
really thought
people.
through their features. bro.
People don't get upset, dude, about
Yeah.
such things.
About being
Someone
unfollowed.
unfollowed
Yeah,
someone.
this is so
Yeah.
absurd.
Yeah, you also
unfollowed
don't
me.
unfollow that person if you don't want to.
Yeah.
Huh?
It goes
As
both
in, like,
ways.
हाँ, like
That's
if
what
you
I'm
get
saying.
unfollowed, then they'll be like, hey, इसने मेरे को किया, अब मैं उसको करूँगा.
हाँ, कर ना भाई, वो कर.
What is
So
this sick
fucking
game?
Stupid shit, dude. People-
Childish games.
Yeah.
Follow, unfollow खेलने में कुछ लोगों को बहुत मजा आता है. Like they'll follow, unfollow.
Yeah, bro. Just so that you keep getting that notification.
Dude, there's like girls that keep unfollowing their boyfriend when they fight.
Yeah.
And then like if you like them, you kind of check.
Not just unfollowing, bro. Archiving the photos also.
हाँ.
So they'll just
हाँ.
archive it and then they come back also later. And the following भी वापस आ गया.
But that's how you know ना if
That is
someone
new
is
age
still dating.
gossip, bro. That is how we find out.
हाँ, मैं स्तुवी को कभी प्रोफाइल भेजता हूँ. I'll be like, bro,
He'll run a quick scan through the
Stu is the king of
I
this.
go through this.
Stewie decks.
the primary check is like if they've unfollowed each other.
Yeah.
So or you know, sometimes you just get the idea that I think there is something wrong here. Like
Yeah.
कुछ तो हो गया. And then I'll send Stewie the profile. I'll be like, bro, run a scan on it.
Calculating.
And the best part is sometimes he doesn't even need to send me the message, bro. The minute I get like, Amin sent you this profile, I open it and I know what is to be done. Like even before we speak, then I've already passed like the scan and I'll tell him.
Fuck, bro, this sounds so fuck all when you talk. I thought it'd be interesting.
It sounded so creepy, like
It's not, bro. It's
Sounding
sounding
so
it runs in
strange.
through my scanner.
But it's just crazy that that's how we communicate now.
Yeah.
Like that's how we get to know things about each other.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
20 years ago or 30 years ago, there would be no way to know these things without asking
You
someone.
had to
like,
meet people, go places, see
actually
things.
talk to them.
हाँ
and
भाई
figure-
अभी इतना accessible है ना, it's so easy to just even
Okay, but would you go on a date knowing nothing about your date or doing a background
What do
check?
you mean doing nothing?
Like knowing nothing, ki, okay, you know what she looks like and that's it.
Yeah, I would give it a shot. That's what, bro.
Not knowing anything, like
no,
not,
like just name and face.
yeah.
I mean,
Name, face and like a body
like just
picture.
like on a dating app.
हाँ
On a dating app, you see basic information.
हाँ
like,
जितना dating app पे उतना ही
हाँ
वही
वो
होता
मेरे
है.
को चलेगा. Like you can get a vibe, bro, of how they and you kind of talk to them ना a bit
you have
before.
to talk to them before.
I don't mind going straight up also.
Hmm.
क्या ही होगा भाई, you are meeting in a public place, you have a conversation, and when you meet someone, very quickly you understand that if this is like,
Yeah.
if this is it or not.
Whether
Yeah.
you vibe or not.
हाँ, so I don't mind. I actually think it's a better way of getting to know someone than just like texting them back and forth.
Yeah. This I feel like the culture of going out, meeting
No, but I
new
think
people.
Yugo means stalking the person before.
Yes,
What?
I mean like
He
are
doesn't
you
mean
gonna
talking.
हाँ,
He's saying stalking.
If the option is there, obviously.
stalking is that the right word? I'm saying
So
like
you'll find out
Yeah,
everything you
it's
just
can.
find
stalking
out
only.
कि उसको क्या पसंद है क्या नहीं like
ये सब नहीं
वो-
देखना है मेरे को.
पसंद
ये
नहीं.
सब- I just see what their vibe is like.
हाँ.
Basically, social media पे क्या जो पता चलता है वो देखूंगा मैं.
You'll
It
see
gives you
the-
more information to play with.
Highlights. Have
Yeah.
you ever scrolled through
Yeah.
a series
Highlights
of
is the
Highlights is where it's at.
Highlights,
It's cool
yeah,
because
yeah,
the
Always
person does not know you're seeing. Otherwise, stories they can see.
yeah.
highlights is where it's at. You always get to know a person from their highlights.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's been fun though. Like, I went on the apps. Apps nahi, one app only. I went just to see what's happening. And I was like, this whole vibe of meeting new people. So I'm not necessarily on the app to like, you know, मेरे को बस hook up नहीं करना है. Like I've become one of those friends one of those people who's on the app for friends.
You भाई full circle आ गया.
Trying to make
He's
friends.
going gay again.
This-
no, I get it.
But bhai, we spend a lot of time with each other, bro.
Again, he's making it gay.
That's why I'm on this app.
No, but we live together, man.
That is true,
Like
bro.
I need people outside of
No,
this just to
I agree.
we
I need to
can't.
meet someone new.
like
Yeah.
I want to say things to someone and expect and get a
Yeah.
different reaction than what I know I'm going to get.
Yeah.
Hey, you
And
don't
also,
know what you.
No,
you're
and
going to
also we
find
live all
every
of it
time.
together, bro. Like
With
9
these
out of
two
10
though,
things
bro,
we
yeah.
do. We live together, bro. We all these
We
moments
sleep together.
Yeah.
We eat together.
हाँ तो मेरे को थोड़ा I wanted to like expand my circle and talk
Yeah.
to people. And also it's masti, bro. Like क्या when there is no like you can meet that person and have a fun time or just like talk shit or do and you don't there's no
Yeah.
strings attached.
I feel like the idea of leaving room for opportunity is nice.
Yeah.
Ki, like you don't have to sexualize the person like beforehand. or
goes
you
there,
don't
it
have-
goes
If
there.
it goes there, then good.
Great.
Nice. Otherwise, great. The best.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, it's not the
But it's
intention.
not the don't
It
make it
shouldn't
your
be your
ambition.
intention, I feel.
Kids,
Kids.
don't do that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Plus,
get to know
it's-
people. Like,
it's-
some of them are cool.
It's like अपन अभी we're young, bro. Like those are 26.
If you can
Yeah,
call,
this is-
yeah,
We're
it's young.
still young. We're in our
Yeah.
20s, so like I'm feeling adventurous a bit.
It's kind of like now or never. In the-
Make your friends now because it's going to be a lot difficult.
क्योंकि अभी
Dude.
कुछ सालों
Yeah.
से तो हमने घिसाया है काम
Yeah.
करके ये करके. Now if you're getting somewhere, then there's other avenues that you want to go and explore, meet new people,
Yeah.
have different experiences.
Yeah.
नहीं तो फिर क्या? How do you grow as a person?
And life,
Oh,
you
get
want life to be fresh also.
Yeah, that's why I talk to random girls on the app.
The-
Isn't that what life is about?
yeah.
Just talking to random girls on dating apps.
Bhai, I'll show you some of these chats. I don't know if, bhai,
Can you?
yeah, I mean ऐसा कुछ crazy नहीं है उसमें, but because I know these people don't know me personally, there's not that many consequences to what I'm saying.
Are you
But
not
I don't
scared of,
mean
like,
that in a creep.
screenshots?
That's
I'm
what
not,
he's saying. He's not saying
I'm
it in
not
a
saying
creepy
anything
way.
creepy, but like I'm trying just like very different things, like saying kuch bhi, which is not necessarily me. Sometimes I'm playing a character just to see what works.
How
what
they
doesn't work.
respond.
Yeah, I have made my profile also like that. I've made it as like a toxic fuckboy. I was like, kya?
Psychology study this man is conducting.
It's like a
and it's working very well for you, like this toxic
Yeah,
boy
he's not
character.
very
being
well though, I
active
won't
on
say,
that.
but it's crazy to see how many girls are into that, which
So
is also
why-
a little dark, but matlab, so on the app there is one prompt, is like one thing I ask from you is, and I've written, don't tell my girlfriend I'm
Yeah.
here. And bro, that line just kills. Like
Yeah.
most of my matches are because of that one line.
You can
It's
tell
fucked
what
up,
your
right? Like it's
matches
fucked
are.
up that like this answer has so many matches.
I
है
mean,
ना?
it's a funny
Don't you
line.
think so?
Maybe that's what. Maybe they get the humor. But,
Yeah. It's sarcasm and it's funny.
But a lot of girls don't understand humor also.
So those people are probably not hitting
Girls
no
are
match.
just people in general.
हाँ,
Sorry.
people in general. They might make assumptions about like how this person thinks and stuff. But it's a funny line. It's a good opener.
It's a very good opener.
But why is that a good opener? That's my thing.
Abhi, because
Those who know,
being
they know, I
being
feel.
promiscuous makes it little thoda mystery आता है ना, and then
What is this fucking
like for example, Modern Family, like Phil and Claire,
They do role play.
they'll role play. They'll go to a hotel once in a while, and she'll be someone else, and he'll be someone else.
on Valentine's Day.
It's a little, yeah. It's you need to add a little bit of spice, not to what you're doing.
हाँ.
नहीं तो it's too bland then.
It is spicy, bro.
Yeah.
Spicy out there. Or?
It's spicy out there. People, bro, I think a lot of people have opened up to the idea of just doing things or meeting people just to have fun.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people are just straight up non-committal. Dating in our generation is a bit weird.
It's a little fucked up.
Yeah,
I
but
don't
how do you
fucked up
go
is-
about it, dude? Like, मैं सच्ची में पूछ रहा हूँ.
Which end are you on? Do you want to date or do you want to be?
भाई,
I
बहुत
just
लंबा
wanna-
discussion है.
True.
मैं क्या बोलता हूँ?
Should we
अपन गंदा मूव करते हैं.
should we do a
We'll do it on members.
members? Yeah.
Members भी बहुत टाइम से नहीं किया तो
Yeah,
यहाँ पे
actually we
काट के
can
we'll
we
have
can
it
talk
on
about
members.
this on the.
ठीक है
Let's
ना?
do it.
चलो.
ठीक है भाई.
Thank you for watching. Become a member. Capitalism, baby.